Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key. Oops, let's do it again. Hold power key. Slide down to power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'll show you the OPPO logo on the screen, and then look for the bottom recovery mode to show up, at which point you can let go. Now this process does not remove a screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, unfortunately you won't be able to reset it this way, as you will be able to see just in a second. So from here you want to select your language by tapping on it and choose wipe data, and then we need to insert that protection right here. So I do have a pattern set and I'm going to draw it, and once you do, you have the option to format your phone. As you can see, and here in the wipe data section we do have two options. We can either wipe data or format data. Now keep in mind, wipe data doesn't actually wipe data, making it a completely useless option. If you read the text below, it says wipe data retains contacts, messages and photos. So why is it even here? Why is it called wipe data if it doesn't wipe it? So make sure that when you're trying to remove everything from your device, you go for the format data instead option. This will remove everything from the device, including photos, basically user data and music, anything like that. So yeah, and once you tap on OK, it then reboots the device and continues the process in the background. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.